Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to gift V-Bucks in Fortnite. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I will explain the two main ways you can do this. First, open Fortnite and look at the top navigation menu. Click on Passes, then scroll down to the Battle Pass section and select Get Pass. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see the option to gift the pass. From here, you can choose any of your Fortnite friends and send them the Battle Pass as a gift. Just make sure the person you want to gift is already added to your friends list, otherwise the option won't appear. Once selected, you can complete the purchase and the Battle Pass will be sent directly to your friend. The second method is through the shop. Click on Shop in the top left-hand side and browse through the available outfits, emotes, or accessories. When you select an item, you'll see a gift option next to the purchase button. You can then choose one of your friends and send that item as a gift. This is another way of using your V-Bucks to give something to your friends, even though you're not sending the V-Bucks themselves. And that's it. So that's basically how you can gift V-Bucks in Fortnite. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.